Welcome to another new episode for you today. It is a rice cooker. Almost all of us use a rice cooker more or less. But many people don't know why the cooker shuts off when the rice is done. How does the cooker know that there is no more water in the rice? Everyone knows about the attraction and repulsion of magnets, but magnets can cause one more phenomenon. So let's analyze it in today's video. If you watch the video till the end without skipping, you will learn something very important and interesting today. So let's start. When we opened the lid of the cooker, we saw a circular heating plate. Between the heating plates there is another round kit. It is called magnetic application or magnetic temperature limiter thermostat. First, I fixed the male and female plugs on it. Now I took the water and put the pot. Now power is supplied to the rice cooker. After applying power to the rice cooker, the cooker's warm indicator light comes on. The warm indicator light is lit only when the cooker is plugged in. In this condition, a 40W thermostat heater plate is on. The main circular heating plate turns on and heats up as soon as the switch of the rice cooker is pressed to the cook position. After the specified time, the cooker switch switches to the automatic off position when the cooking item gets enough heat and reaches the required level. Different companies have their own designs, and from time to time they change the auto system of rice cooker. Now I will show the auto system inside two types of rice cookers, one after the other. It offers two auto systems at once. In the middle where I am pressing it is magnetic application or magnetic temperature limiter thermostat, and it is on the right side of the waterproof sensitive micro switch. When pressing this magnetic application, the needle of the cooker goes to on position. When the magnetic application is opened, the power supply to the cooker stops. This is waterproof sensitive micro switch. This is copper contact foot temperature control switch. This switch is used to turn on and off the over temperature. This switch helps to turn off the magnetic application if it is not turned off for any reason. Basically, two switching systems are used to protect the cooker from any mishap. Two switching systems are also provided in this cooker. It is high power contact T-switch or copper contact foot temperature control switch, and magnetic application is given in the middle. This is the 40W thermostat heater discussed earlier. When the cooker is in normal position, the 40W thermostat heater plate is switched on. The 40W thermostat plate remains on and the power supply is on unless the mains is plugged out or the main switch is turned off. It basically helps to keep the food warm. This is what I am showing now. This is the magnetic application or magnetic temperature limiter thermostat. Now let me show you how it works. First, I pressed it to the magnet. Now I started heating with hot gun to heat the magnetic application. But the test was not completed because the magnetic application was not heated to the right level. That's why I placed the magnetic application on the gas burner and turned on the flame. I waited now. In no time I got the result of the test of magnetic application. See it release the magnet. Now trying to stick the knob to the magnet, but it is not sticking to the magnet at all. At certain times it will work again when it cools down. So I sprinkled water and cooled it. See it working again. That is, when the magnet is heated to a certain temperature, it loses its magnetism. When a magnet loses its magnetism at a certain temperature, it is called the Cury point. Cury point, temperature at which certain magnetic materials undergo a sharp change in their magnetic properties. Now I am exposing the magnet used in the cooker. You must have seen the magnet and you know about magnets. Now heating the magnet directly. But due to its structural problems, it is being crushed directly in the gas burner. Now I took another magnet. It's getting hot. Now look, it has lost its magnetism. Now you understand that a magnetic application or magnetic temperature limiter thermostat is the main switch of any cooker. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.